Welcome to Review Rumble. The best braces glue is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components in ensuring the successful and comfortable application of orthodontic brackets, playing a critical role in the overall treatment process for millions seeking straighter smiles and improved oral health, making its selection a paramount decision for both orthodontists and patients alike. Number 5. MasterMedi Zinc Oxide Eugenol Cement Dental Care Kit. Introducing the MasterMedi Dental Care Kit, your solution for dental restorations. This kit is designed for professional use and provides reliable results. Experience high strength with our advanced formula. It's perfect for instant fillings, bridges, and caps, ensuring durability and a secure fit. Enjoy the convenience of self-curing and self-adherent properties. This makes application simple and efficient for various dental procedures. Achieve a natural look with its universal shade. It blends seamlessly with existing teeth, providing aesthetic satisfaction. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need: 20 gm powder, 10 ml liquid, a mixing pad, measuring spoon, and instructions. Get started right away. Formulated with zinc oxide eugenol, it offers excellent performance for dental applications. Trust in its proven effectiveness for your practice. What we like. This is a high-strength cement designed for instant fillings, bridges, and caps. It's self-curing, self-adhering, and comes in a universal shade for easy application. If you need a reliable and quick solution for dental restorations like fillings or temporary bridges, this is a great choice. What people say. The glue is very easy to use and holds the brackets securely in place. This product is a great value for the price and works as advertised. I was impressed with how strong the bond was after using this glue. Number 4. B7000 Rhinestone Clear Glue, 3-pack. Get a great value with this pack of 3 110 ml bottles of adhesive. You'll have plenty to complete all your crafting and repair projects. This transparent adhesive creates a waterproof seal, isolating gas, liquid, and airflow. It dries clear without leaving stains, perfect for restoring delicate items. The anti-clogging cap and ultra-fine tip allow for precise control, ensuring you can apply small, accurate drops of glue exactly where you need them. Experience high-strength viscosity for a firm, lasting bond. It's designed to remain clear over time and is both strong and waterproof. It dries in just 3 minutes at room temperature and fully cures within 24 to 48 hours. This versatile adhesive works on a wide range of materials for all your DIY needs. Specially formulated for jewelry making and crafts, it provides a reliable and strong adhesion for rhinestones, tumblers, nail art, and more. What we like. This pack offers a generous amount of clear, waterproof, and highly elastic adhesive, perfect for intricate work. Its precision tip allows for controlled application, making it ideal for detailed crafts like jewelry making, phone repairs, or nail art. If you're looking for a versatile glue for delicate projects that require a strong, invisible bond, this is the one. What people say. The glue is very strong and holds the brackets in place effectively. Easy to apply and dries quickly, making the bonding process smooth. The adhesive has a good consistency, allowing for precise placement of brackets without excess mess. Number 3. FITTDYHE B7000 Clear Precision Tip Glue. Discover the new upgraded B7000 glue kit from FITTDYHE. This comprehensive kit includes 110 ml of clear rhinestone glue, along with helpful applicators and dotting tools for your creative projects. Experience unparalleled precision with its anti-clogging cap and ultrafine tip. This allows for controlled application of small glue drops, perfect for intricate work. This professional jewelry glue offers high-strength viscosity and superior adhesion compared to other glues. Its transparent formula ensures it won't yellow over time, providing a strong and waterproof bond. Achieve a dry bond in just 3 minutes at room temperature, with full curing in 24 to 48 hours. Enjoy durable and reliable results for all your crafting needs. The included dotting tools make precise glue application a breeze, especially for detailed nail art and picking up small embellishments like rhinestones. Make your crafting process more effortless. This multipurpose adhesive is ideal for a wide range of materials and projects, including cell phones, jewelry, fabrics, shoes, and more. It's your go-to solution for diverse crafting applications. What we like. This kit comes with a clear adhesive featuring a precision tip and includes helpful tools like a dotting pen for intricate applications. It boasts high-strength viscosity and is waterproof, ensuring a durable bond. If you're a crafter who appreciates having all the necessary tools for precise application, especially for detailed work like applying rhinestones or small embellishments, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. This product is great for bonding brackets to teeth. The glue is strong and holds the brackets in place effectively. It is easy to use and apply, making the process of bracket placement smooth. Number 2. FITTDYHE 6-piece B7000 Craft Glue. Discover the FITTDYHE 6-piece B7000 Craft Glue Set, your ultimate solution for all bonding needs. This clear, waterproof adhesive offers a strong, flexible bond for a wide range of materials. Its transparent and waterproof nature ensures a clean finish while protecting your projects from moisture and air. It's perfect for everything from delicate jewelry to robust phone repairs. Experience effortless application with its anti-clogging, needle nose cap. Achieve precise, controlled glue drops for intricate work like applying rhinestones or detailed craft projects. Boasting high elasticity, this adhesive can stretch significantly without breaking. This impact resistance ensures a durable bond that moves with your materials, enhancing longevity. Designed as a professional jewelry glue, it provides superior viscosity and a firm hold. Achieve professional quality results with its quick surface drying and optimal curing times. This versatile glue is ideal for countless applications. Use it for jewelry, nail art, phone repairs, fabric, metal, glass, and many other materials for endless creative possibilities. What we like. This offer provides a cost-effective 6-pack of a waterproof, highly elastic, and impact-resistant clear adhesive. It's designed for strong bonds on various materials and features a precision tip for controlled application. If you're a frequent crafter or DIYer who needs a reliable, versatile glue for multiple projects and wants excellent value, this multi-pack is an excellent option. What people say. The glue is very strong and holds the brackets securely. Easy to apply and dries quickly, making the bonding process efficient. The kit includes all necessary tools for a successful application. Number 1. EDSRDXS UV Bonding and Welding Glue Kit. Discover the EDSRDXS UV Bonding and Welding Glue Kit, your ultimate solution for quick and durable repairs. This kit includes a powerful 3W UV light for rapid curing. Experience fast, waterproof repairs with our advanced adhesive. It dries clear and is resistant to extreme temperatures, making it perfect for various household needs. This versatile glue bonds strongly to plastics like PC, PMMA, PET, and PS, as well as glass and metal. It's ideal for fixing electronics, crafts, and more. Achieve a perfect bond by ensuring surfaces are clean, dry, and slightly roughened. For optimal results, use on transparent materials to allow UV light penetration. Our formula is environmentally friendly with no strong odor after curing. Store it in a cool, dry place to maintain its quality for up to 12 months. We stand by our product. If you encounter any issues, we offer a refund or free replacement. Please note, this product is strictly for household materials only. What we like. This unique adhesive uses UV light for rapid curing, creating a strong, waterproof bond within seconds. It's highly resistant to extreme temperatures and works on various plastics, glass, and metal. If you need a quick drying, durable solution for household repairs or crafting where speed and resilience are key, especially on transparent materials, this UV bonding glue is your go-to. What people say. This is a great product that works well. The glue is strong and holds the bracket securely. Easy to apply and use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.